Hello ClickHubs Club. Thank you guys for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your social media posts into your ClickHubs account using a CSV file. So that allows you to quickly create your social media posts in a spreadsheet, and then you can just upload them and automatically schedule them out. So in this case, we're doing all of the holidays for the remaining of the year. This is something that we're sharing with our ClickHubs ClickMax plan members. So you guys can have that in your account and you'll have all the holiday posts scheduled out for the year. So one catch though, it can be really tricky to get the time format correct. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do that, because if you get that wrong, then all your posts are going to be scheduled for today, but you don't want that. You want them scheduled all throughout the year. So I'm going to show you how to properly format the time column so that you can make sure you get those scheduled for the right dates and times of the year. And then we'll show you how to get those into your account, and then you can edit them and publish them. So let's continue on, and I'll see you on the other side. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to click that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and don't forget to like this video. I will see you on the other side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your social media post via a CSV file. So let's head into the marketing tab here, and we'll immediately be brought into our social planner, and we can head over here. If I open the planner, you can see I don't have any posts scheduled here. So we're going to come back and we're going to go to new post and upload from CSV. Now we'll be able to download a sample file here so we can make sure that we're configuring our CSV file correctly. And let's just open that up and take a look at what we have here. And before we do that, let's just take a quick look here. There's a couple little tips here that talks about how the date format should be used, and it does use a 24-hour time format. So it gives us the example here of year, 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 month, month, day, day, hour, hour, minute, minute, second, second. So that's how we want to format our time of the posts that are going to be scheduled. And we have a text column that will support caption and hashtags. In the link column, it uses an OG meta tag, and that accepts one link. In the image and video column, we can have multiple images and videos separated by a comma, and the GIFs will only accept one. And we can import up to 90 posts in a single CSV. So if you want to do more than that, you'll have to do multiple runs for that. So let's come in here and take a look at the file that we downloaded. And I want to show you this time formatting especially is very, very important that we get it formatted properly. So first of all, we have the time that we're going to be posting. We're going to be scheduling these posts. Then we have the content of the post, and then we have the meta link. And I'm actually going to we're not going to be using this. We're just going to be posting content and images. So here we have the image URLs. So we just post the URL in there. And then we have the GIF URLs and the video URLs. So let me just format this so we can see it a little bit better here. And I'm going to change the font size to make it a little larger. So this is super important. If you don't do this right when you upload all of your posts, they're all going to be scheduled for today, and then you'll have to go through and manually change them. So the purpose of using the CSV file is so we can automate that. So what I do is, you can see the formats being shown here is a little different. So we want to make sure we're matching this format here in the top line, the YYYY-MM. So let's click on the entire column, and then we're going to come over here to the formatting, and we're going to go more format numbers. We're going to select custom, and we're going to copy exactly what we have here. So YYYY-MM-DD space HH:MM:SS. And you might even be smarter just to copy and paste that here. So once we have that, we're just going to select OK. And now you can see that its format has changed. That's super important. If you don't do that, like I said, it's all going to be scheduled today because it's not going to recognize any date. So you want to make sure that we change that. And then for this here, we're just pasting our content, one per line, and the same thing with our links, images, GIFs, or videos. So I'm just going to close out of this here. And we've got this file here. Let's show you what we have that we're going to be importing. These are the holidays for the year. And I deleted all the holidays that have already passed since we're not posting those. And this is something that we're offering to our ClickHubs ClickMax plan, which is our upper plan. We'll have some custom social media posts and things like that that we provide you with. So You can see I've got my dates all formatted the way that I mentioned in the previous sheet when we edited those. So these match the exact formatting that we need. And let's actually redo this because these have changed and we need to make sure that they are correct. So let's just click this here and then I'm going to copy this. I just want to make sure we get these right. So let's do this again. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come in here to modify the number format. And then up here, I'm just going to paste that and click OK. Okay, so now we're going to save this. And then I'm going to come back here and just drag my file here. Select Next. And we want to select our social account. I just have one currently hooked up, so I'm going to select that. But if you have multiple accounts, you can select whichever ones you want to post to. And then you can also send it to approval to somebody else. So since I'm posting here, it's not going to give me the option, but you can select other people that need to approve these before they get posted. And then we're going to just process the CSV file. Depending on how much content you have, some files will be faster than others. So we're going to come back here. You can see I have one here that says review and schedule. So if you have the three dots here, you can just come in here and delete this. And be careful where you click here because sometimes if you just click around, it will just automatically take it to the next stage. So if we come here and we check now, we can see that our new posts are set for review and schedule. So now we can click that and it will import them. And you can see we have all of our dates here on the right. So everything imported correctly. And also we have the time set. I recommend for holidays, you can decide what time is best, but I do recommend experimenting with the times of your posts and seeing what's going to be more effective for you so you can kind of see which time is better for you to post for your users. And now that we have everything listed here, we can actually click to open these and then we can come in here and edit these. So we can say Happy Cinco de Mayo from the ClickHubs team. And of course you can add hashtags, you can add images and style, emojis, things like that. So you can come in here and customize these however you want. And you can also add a follow-up comment. If you want to have a first comment here, you can do that. Very popular for Instagram and things like that. And then save the edits. And it's super easy. You can just go down the line and open these up, edit them as you'd like. And then when you're ready to schedule the post, you just come in here. And once you made sure everything is the way you want, you just come in here, you can preview the next ones here, and then import the posts. And once you import, it can't be undone. So you can delete them, but if you have a ton of posts in here, it's going to be a little bit of a hassle to go through and delete them, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So now you can see we're importing here. And so to view the posts that are imported, we can come to schedule posts, and now you'll see they're all listed here. So if you want to delete these, you just have to click on the three dots and delete. You can also clone and edit. I don't know of a way to bulk import, so if I decided I accidentally wanted to delete all these, I would just have to go through and do one at a time. And if something changes, then we'll definitely update you. But now you can come in here. Once again, you can edit it if you want to come in and edit them. So super cool. You can also now view them inside of your planner. And so you can see when you come over here, we have them all scheduled. You can move the dates here. So if you want to drag it to a different date, you can do that. So obviously for holidays, they're on a set date. You don't want to change those. But if you have other posts here and you want to just move them around, you can just drag the posts and move them around easily. You can edit them from this screen as well. So super cool that you can do this. It's really going to be a big time saver if you can create all of your posts in a CSV file. And especially nowadays with the AI, it's super easy to generate ideas for posts, and then you can just edit them, add your images, and you are good to go. This will be preloaded in your account, and if you decide you want to use it, you can come in here into the CSV tab, review and schedule. If you don't, you can just delete it and you'll take it out of your account. So you guys can see how powerful it is to be able to just upload your social media post with a CSV file. What a time saver. You can sit down within an hour or two and schedule out a month, 2 months, even maybe a year's worth of posts in advance and get those scheduled, and then you can move on to doing more important things. So hopefully you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.